The acquisition of Spaceship by eToro is a significant move that clearly signals the global investment platform's core strategic direction, deep localization, and expansion into long-term savings. eToro is essentially doubling down on the Australian market, a key growth region for the company. Spaceship, an Australian-based app known for its managed funds and superannuation products, gives eToro instant access to a large, established user base focused on retirement savings and longer-term wealth building, which is a different segment from eToro's traditional social trading audience. The strategy is about product diversification and creating a holistic financial ecosystem. By integrating Spaceship's superannuation offerings, eToro transforms from a primarily short to mid-term trading and investment platform into a full-cycle wealth manager. They can now support clients throughout their entire investing journey, from initial stock and crypto trading to essential retirement planning. This approach also highlights eToro's commitment to offering a truly localized experience. The acquisition is a foundation for other Australia-specific enhancements, like the introduction of AUD accounts, discounted currency conversion for U.S. assets, and the addition of more local ASX-listed stocks. The goal is to remove friction and cost for Australian investors, making eToro the dominant local choice. Ultimately, the move suggests a push for greater scale and a shift in business model. By adding recurring, long-term investments like superannuation, eToro gains a more stable, sticky revenue stream, balancing the volatility inherent in their core trading and crypto services. Expect eToro to replicate this localized, long-term savings acquisition strategy in other major international markets soon.